So what really is branding, marketing, and advertising? What is KPI, CAC, CPL? What are all these acronyms? What do they mean? Why do we use them? Who needs to use them? Do we even need to use them? These are all things I'm going to be answering in this video. Who am I? Hello, my name is Alan. I've been a marketing director for over 5 years, and I also own my own marketing agency. I might be kind of qualified to answer these questions, and unlike these other people inside of this marketing landscape on YouTube, I have nothing to sell you. So let me answer one of the questions that I posed earlier. Do you even need to know these kind of terms and words and all this other kind of stuff? And it depends. It depends on who you are. Now, since you clicked on this video, I'm gonna assume you probably know that you need to know these terms. But I'm gonna list off some people that might want to know these terms anyway. If you're a social media manager, a marketing director, a small business owner, an entrepreneur, somebody needing to hold proficient conversations around marketing topics. If I guessed you correctly, leave a comment down below saying that I'm magical. Please do so. I really would appreciate it. Why do we use these terms? We use these terms because efficiency and speed. Who wants to have a conversation just explaining some of these things? Also, just wanted to give you a heads up. While I was filming this video, I didn't notice it until I started editing that I had auto white balance on. So I ended up looking really weird throughout the video. Just ignore that. Everything's fine. Today we're going to be going over broad marketing terms, different types of marketing, and marketing metrics that you would need to keep track of. Those are usually the acronym ones. We'll have to save funnels, web strategy terms, and stuff like that for another day. Don't you love this dude mowing out here in the background? I didn't even realize that when I started. And let's start off with branding, marketing, and advertising, and what are their differences. Marketing is any activity or action taken by a business to promote their product or service and get it out there in front of more people. This includes advertising, branding, creating or communicating deliverables. Deliverables are things that you can push out in front of other people. Deliverables are also known as creatives, different assets that are made. Now that I describe marketing, I have to go over branding and advertising since they're part of that definition. Branding is the process of creating an image, identity, or mental projection of your company. That's the main difference between a company and a brand. Then there's advertising. Advertising is more of the technical component of marketing and brand. It is the actions taken to reach out through marketing channels to reach your customers. Usually this is paid advertising. And marketing and advertising are kind of weird things because it kind of has that square and rectangle thing going on. Like advertising is a form of marketing, but not all forms of marketing is advertising. Does that make sense? Oh, marketing channels, what are those? Let me answer it. Let me answer it right after you like and subscribe, only if you are getting value from this video. Do not subscribe because you feel pity for me. Do not subscribe if you don't find value in this. Don't subscribe just because you like hitting a button. Only subscribe if this video gives you actual value. Marketing channels are different ways for you to reach out and connect with your viewers, /customers, /audience. This includes Facebook, Instagram, print media, TV, email, blah, blah, blah. The list goes on. And these marketing channels can be used in multiple different ways, such as inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Inbound marketing goes by a few different terms. Inbound marketing, organic marketing, earned marketing. Those are the 3 different ways that people can refer to inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is essentially creating stuff that naturally attracts your ideal customers. And this includes, but is not limited to, public speaking, referrals, sponsorships, community building, blogging, YouTube videos, Facebook posts to an audience you already have, Instagram posts to an audience you already have or that you're reaching out to with a good hashtag strategy, TikToks, Reels, press that was written about you that you didn't pay for, books that you have written that you strategically wrote to drive traffic to your business or your social media followings or whatever goal you may have. An email list that you built by giving out something free that you can contact for essentially nothing. Print media that people decide to pick up on their own that you're not shoving down their throats. A viral content marketing strategy where you intentionally create content that'll go viral. Believe it or not, it can be done. These are just a few different organic marketing methods that are out there that are really effective, and there are countless more that can be added to the list. Trust me. Quick question, do you like how this video is going liking so far and how it's formatted? If not, let me know in the comments below what I could do to improve all this kind of stuff. And speaking of liking, if you do like the video so far, make sure to leave a like down below. Trust me, it really helps us out since I am a new YouTube channel. Just saying. I need all the help I can get. And if I'm doing a good job, reward me. Come on. Next, there's outbound marketing. Outbound marketing, like inbound marketing, can go by many different names. There's outbound marketing, paid marketing, interruption-based marketing. All of them mean the same thing, roughly. And these marketing actions would consist of paid social media marketing, so like pushing things out into Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, Snapchat feeds, TikTok feeds, the little posts that have sponsored in them, those are all paid action. Pop-up ads on websites, display advertising through networks like Google and Facebook, forum and comment spamming. There is a right way to do that though. Spamming isn't necessarily something that is inherently wrong. You just have to know how to do it. Like if you go in, this is just a quick example, I know I'm getting off topic, but if you go into a comment section and you're trying to give legitimate value to the person asking a question or something like that, trying to provide an answer, that is a correct way to do forum and comment spamming. That's actually beneficial to the audience. Back on topic. YouTube video pre-roll ads and ads interrupting in between. Cold calling or outbound sales calling. Billboard ads or people outside twirling signs and stuff. I know you don't see that as often anymore, but that used to be a very common thing in the advertising industry, marketing industry at least. And all of these things that I just listed are essentially different channels, organic or paid, that you can reach your audience through. And they can also be classified in another way besides paid and organic, inbound, outbound. And that would be through digital marketing channels or traditional marketing channels. And I know you're smart. You can probably subcategorize all of those on your own. Of course, billboards, people spinning signs outside, TV, radio, all traditional. And then Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all digital. And really, this is just a start. And I know that I said we were going to be going into metrics today, but I do not have the time to do that. So what's going to happen is I'm going to make that video next whenever I have the time, and it's going to be right here. I appreciate you for sticking around throughout this video. See you next time.